In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to set up the Forbes 15 Plus in its basic form. Before unhitching your caravan from your tow vehicle, always fully apply the parking brake. If the ground's not level, put some wheel chocks either side of the wheels so it can't roll forward or backwards. When you put the jockey wheel down, make sure the handle clips all the way in so the jockey wheel can't fall over. It's that simple, safety first, and never put any part of your body underneath the chassis of the trailer. We've removed all our linch pins and taken the safety pins out of the back of the spare wheel here. So now we're ready to set up the back. You'll see here, without the spare wheel in place, what we do to unlatch it. We take the linch pin out, push the latch over forward, and then pull it away as such so it's clear. With the pin at the base, undo the linch pin and remove that pin there. The gas struts will do most of the work, and you can drop the wheels down on the ground. Now with the spares down, pop these 3 latches across the bottom and the roof will raise itself on the gas struts. Now we can open up the wing panels by pressing the top, twist and open it up. Do that both sides. Now we can drop our bed base down by releasing the 2 clips in both of the top corners. I just step up on the spare wheels, makes it a lot easier. Gently lower the base. Now we can raise our window panel. The window panel is assisted by gas struts, so just gently pull it. Now we can secure it with the over center latches. Hook them over the lip, pull them down, and that's our back set up. Now for extra security, you can get a small padlock and put it through the front of these over center latches, and that will secure the back of your caravan. To set up the kitchen, you'll need this, the support leg that goes under the end of it. Place that down, open up our hatch. To release the kitchen, there's 2 steps. First, grab the pad bolt on the left-hand side, twist it, and then lock it up out of the way. Then, press the blue tab on the slide mechanism, and we can pull the kitchen out. Whenever doing this, be sure to grab it by this handle up top. That is part of the body of the kitchen and is very strong. Don't grab it by this handle. This handle is only for the little slide out tray. Don't push or pull the kitchen from that handle at all. Now, we can put our support leg under. There's a receiver hole under here. Slide it into place, undo the knob, push it down, take a little bit of weight off the kitchen, and lock it into place. Very simple. Now, to open the lids, there's a rubber bungee cord with a retainer on the front. Undo that, nice and easy. Fold the lid over. Now we can get our wing panels out and set up the windbreak for the kitchen. Put them in the slots at the front here. And that's in place. Now to open up our sink and dish rack, again, undo the rubber bungee and lift it up and away. Then you can raise your tap up, plug in the gas, and you're ready to go. This particular kitchen is permanently plumbed to the hot water and the cold water, so it's only the gas connection we need to plug in. To connect the gas for the kitchen, simply twist and remove the little dust cap out of there. Grab your bayonet fitting. Be mindful of the grooves here and line them up with the tabs on the inside of the female connector. Press it in and twist, it's now connected. Be sure to do that before you turn the gas on, because if there's pressure to this connection, it makes it very hard to get the bayonet in. Before you connect the gas, check the condition of this O-ring. Make sure there's no cuts, no abrasions, and it's there in one piece in good condition. Pop it into the gas bottle and turn to the left or counterclockwise. Get it in tight and turn your gas bottle on. To set up the step, reach in, find the bar at the back of the step, push down and pull the step forward and lock it into place. Now that we've found a nice flat level place to set up our caravan, we've applied the handbrake and chock the wheels if necessary. We put our stabiliser legs down. Gently hold the end of the stabiliser leg, pull the blue handle out and lower it down into position until it locks into place. Once it's locked into place, we can put our brace on and wind it up, and that gives us the ability to level this caravan slightly, and it'll be nice firm ground to walk on. To operate any of the 12-volt functions on the van, you need to switch on this main switch. So when we're ready to put our awning out, we turn the main switch on. So from there, we can operate any of the electrical circuits. To open the awning, we switch on the awning and toilet switch at the main panel. Once we've done that, simply flick the switch just inside the door here, and the electric awning will start doing its thing. As it comes out, we can release the legs from underneath this fascia, pop this down, and when it reaches full extension, the awning will switch itself off. As we take the legs out, we be sure to do it evenly and pull the hinge out at the end, making sure not to twist it. Move the cam down, lock it into place, and we can put it out forward and do the other one. Once the awning is fully extended, you can choose if you want to peg down the feet and leave the legs upright, or connect the legs to the little white clips on the side of the caravan. That brings them up out of the way, gives you a full floor area. So we'll just show you how to do this on that side. So lift the clip up, pop the foot in there like that, and press it down on top, and then adjust your awning leg. It is that easy to set up your awning. Remember, in windy conditions, be sure to peg it down. If the wind gets up too high, do the smart thing and pack it away. It's a lot better than a damaged awning. The first step in setting up the hot water system is to open this box that hides the gas hot water system flue. Now we remove the truma cover off that, and we're ready to set the gas up, switch on the truma system at the switchboard, and then activate it at the truma controller. So now to operate our hot water, there's two switches we need to switch on here. One is the hot water switch. That'll activate power to the truma so the auto igniter will work, and the water pump. Of course, you need to be able to pump water through the hot water system to have it run out at the tap. When you turn on the hot water system, select the temperature you want, 60 or 70 degrees. When you flick it on, the hot water system will automatically ignite. If there's a problem, if the gas quite hasn't purged to the hot water system, a red light will come on the indicator panel. Simply switch it off, wait a moment, and then start again. I'm going to show you how to start the diesel heater in your caravan. The first thing we need to do is, one, make sure there's fuel in the fuel tank, and two, switch it on at the control panel. This will be in various positions depending on what caravan you have, but the operation is exactly the same for all. Now that we have power, we have fuel, we simply press this button here and that'll activate the diesel heater. It'll run cold for a little while, then the ignition system will start up and eventually blow hot air through your vent here. The other two functions we have are the temperature control, and if you want to select blow ambient air into your trailer, you press the little fan icon. Before we raise the roof on the van, what we do, take the linch pins out of all 4 latches on the roof. There's 1 in each corner. Undo the latch, pull it out of the way. Once you've done all 4, we're right to raise the roof. Raising the roof of the Forbes 15 Plus, we always start at the front. We've unlatched all 4 corners of the roof so it can now be lifted safely. Grab the handle, raise it up into position, and when it's in position, turn the little chrome latch onto its plate and it's ready to go now and raise the back. Now we can raise the back of the roof. Grab the handle, push up, and the gas struts and the scissors will do their job. Pop the little chrome clip across in front of its tab. That'll stay put. Setting up the folding mattress is easy. Grab it at the end here, raise it up, and with your knee, push it forward. Then just give it a bit of a shove into place, slide it up against the backboard, and press it down. Now we're ready to fix up our bedding and a good night's sleep. And that's how we set up the Forbes 15 Plus.